Just by saying that. Imagine if you actually learned the language.
He has a point.
So if a man learns how to express his emotions and feelings in the right brain internal way, will she fall in love with him?
Yes. I think faster than he would expect. Probably faster than he would fall in love.
Yeah.
It's really more so communication. Guys need to learn how to communicate. And
Okay.
I feel like in what you teach, guys just need to listen, because us females, if we was just to sit here and listen, just like me, just sitting here and listening and knowing that a guy only thinks with one side of his brain, and then you letting me know this, me having conversations with males now, it's a little different.
Or because of what I taught you.
Yes.
Yeah, so she's seeing like, oh, so he doesn't understand when I say this shit. See, here's the deal. What she just said, I'm going to say it to you right now. Mm-hmm. What you just said, you said it in the female language. They're like, what do you mean? Just listen. He's going to listen through the left brain. Mm-hmm. See, here's the deal, guys. In order to even understand the conversation we just had, well, I understand it. No, you don't. She's just going, no, you don't. Mm-hmm. And all women say this. All women, 100% on the 8 billion people planet. And guys are like, what are you talking about right there? That's my point. She was using right brain language terms, and I'm going, no, he's not going to understand what she's saying. Do you understand why this is so hard to market? I'm communicating and trying to sell something to you that is a foreign object. It's a foreign concept that the male brain literally cannot process. The left brain, now, I think this is a QuickTime video, so this might be reversing. So this is actually my left hand. It might be reversing it. The left brain cannot process right brain concepts. That's why the number one thing I have to do is teach you how to shift over to your right brain. Once you're listening to me from there, then, as you said, I think guys just need to sit down and just be quiet and listen to you. It won't matter. Until they open up the right brain, then you're going to go, oh my God, I understand what you're saying. Before when you said this, I thought you meant that. But now what I really understand is you're actually saying this.
Mm-hmm. We're very direct.
Now, she also said direct. Do women like that language?
It depends.
It depends on where they're at.
Yeah.
So what I'm teaching you is the indirect language. Most men like that. I'm out of here. Do you guys want to get laid? Do you want a girl to be sexually attracted? Listen closely. To you. Not your car, not your house, and not your bank account. See, the reason why women marry you when you have money, a house, and a nice car is because of that. Not because of you. Because she's like, well, why won't he share himself with me? Why won't he open up? He's like, I just bought you a dozen roses. What are you talking about? I love you. There's a pattern that I'll teach you how to buy a dozen roses or one rose. And when you communicate your emotions and connect it to the rose and then hand her, you should look at her. I wanted to turn the camera. She's just going, oh my God, that's so true. And men are like, well, what do you mean? See, the male language is the disconnected language. You are communicating, I love you, like a Robotron. Doesn't one rose not enough? 2 roses. 3 roses not enough? 6 roses. 6 roses, dozen roses. Even if she marries you for your money, number 1, she married you for your money. Number 2, she's not in love with you. Number 3, she will leave you because she married you for your money and she's going to take your money.
Yep.
See, the reason why she's marrying you for your money is because she can't marry you because you're not there. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Your heart has a lead door. Go ahead.
He's saying that you're not there because emotionally we can't feel it.
She can't connect with you emotionally. Now, I know the word connect is a right brain word. Connect, what do you mean? Connect? Okay, it literally, penis, vagina, connect. She needs to connect emotionally. She needs to feel what you're feeling. But she can't feel, right now she's going, mm-hmm. I'm blowing you away right now, huh? Because I never shared this part with her before. She's brand new to me. We've only talked, I think, twice about this. The more I talk, the more she's like, man, this guy really knows this shit. Everyone says this to me for 30 fucking... So here's the deal, guys. If you want a woman to fall in love with you for you and not your things, you're going to have to learn how to open up to yourself. See, a lot of women will say, oh, well, he's not present. He's not here with me in the present moment. Well, what does that mean? Until I teach you how to physically do that, it's a foreign concept. I heard that my whole life until I physically learned how to do it. I was like, oh, they mean this. Your logical brain is not who you are. Your right brain is your emotions and feelings and values and all that good stuff. This is who she's trying to connect with. She's trying to connect with the real you on the inside because that's who you are. The external brain is about business, math, and science. It has nothing to do with humanity, with emotions, with romance. The right brain is the relationship brain. It's the social brain. It's the brain you're supposed to be in when you're with her. So right now, go to MikeKollin.com, MikeKollin.com, buy my book, Cracked Female Code. Just go over there and do it right now and read the book. Click subscribe, click the like button, go and make a comment. And ladies, make a comment. It'll help the men if they hear you speak, okay? And for women, buy your 2 books, Why Men Just Don't Get It, and Every Woman's Battle, The Need for Love and Emotional Fulfillment. See you in the next video.